Hi, it's Geek here. Before the video starts, I want to share that I just published my Greyhack Unleashed book. In the book, I'll be sharing a bunch of advanced tricks that players don't usually talk about. I'll also be sharing many different methods like honeypotting, spying, and player finding like a pro. Link in the description. See you! Hello, it's Geek here. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create your own little ransomware for the game called Greyhack. This is a PC game that you can buy from Steam, so it has nothing to do with real life stuff. So once being said, we can continue. And this one little ransomware is a fun program because you can really lock down victim system with it with just 5 lines of code. But even more fun, you can restore the system. And that's a method that I like to use a lot. And you can combine this with other methods. So let's start writing the code. And we're gonna need we need 5 functions. And ransom, and this will be menu, and restore, and menu will not need that. So here we can call the menu. Menu will have a while loop that runs all the time. And in menu we will use prompt. And if cmd equals ransom, then ransom. If cmd equals restore, then restore. There is a typo in here, so this should work now. And this is our menu. I'm gonna add print deploying ransomware, and here we can write restoring system. So we can test it. So my program ransom and restore. So it works. Now we need to use our computer object, and we need to carry it inside. So pc equals get cell host underscore computer, and we can carry it inside the both functions. And first we need to create a folder. A folder will be created on this directory here. And folder must have some name, and I will use .hide. And .hide means, this dot here means it's hidden folder. So this will create a folder. Then we need to grab a file object, and file object of this directory here. And folders equals f.get underscore folders. We can also include the get files if you like, but not now. And for folder in folders and for and folder.move, and we can use this folder that we just created, and folder.name. There is just one issue in Miniscript, and it will also move that folder also inside itself, so it totally destroys the file system. So we need to do something to prevent that. So if folder dot name equals dot hide, then continue. So this should be another part, and the restoring part we are just gonna use dot hide, and we are not gonna need this, and so. And I think it should already work if everything is correct. Let's just run it once more before doing this, because if there is something wrong, I may lose all of my system. Ransom works, restore works, but nothing happens yet. So let's comment out these. Let's try again. And I'm gonna open a file explorer so you can see what happens. And so once, let's run it. Microgram and ransom, and hope there is no error. And everything is gone. And we cannot do anything. So user cannot even find that directory if you chmod it. So now we can write restore. And everything is back. So file system is already all good. So this was today's video, and see you next time. Bye bye.